Hi there, so here we are to a new project, and as you see, this is the pattern that I have choose to do this time, and I like this pattern and I think it's going to be a very nice bag. If you see, I have choose two colors, black and white, again because I like this combination of colors. And for this project I'm using Catania 100% cotton and a hook of 2.5 mm. Okay. So the base will have 8 pyramids, and I will do 111 stitches. Okay, so let's start step by step. We'll start by making a slip knot, and we are going to have 111 stitches. So yarn over, so this is the slip knot, and now we are going to do 111 stitches. There are 111 stitches. Now we are going to do the stitches on the way back. Okay, see, yarn over and pull up the loop, and like this we are going to continue all the way back. So there we are, it's all done. At the last stitch we are going to add 3 stitches. So in one loop we are going to make 3 stitches. So 1, 2 and 3. Okay, these 3 stitches we also need. And now we are just going to go on the way back. Okay, I will meet you here. If you see here, I have already made also the way back. I have also put a sign here where I started the 109 stitches, just in case, better to know. So at the last one, if you see here, I will introduce the white color because we are going to start the pattern directly. Okay, so here I will add also the white color, and of course at the last stitch here we are going to have 3 adds. We are going to add 3 stitches. Okay, so let's do 1, and of course we are going to cover the white color, right? 2, just try to cover as much as possible, and 3. So that's it, we have already finished the base, and now we are going to start directly the pattern. Okay, so the pattern, as you see here, the pattern starts with 1 white stitch. Okay, 1 white stitch and then 13 black stitches. So now we are going to have 1 white stitch, and of course we close with a black color, right? Okay, so next is 13 black stitches. Okay, 13, and the last stitch we close with the white color. Okay, and of course next is 1 white stitch. If you see here, 1 white stitch, I will do 1 white stitch, I will close the white stitch with the black color here, you see, and the next one is again 13 black stitches, if you see here. So I will do in each side 8 pyramids. Okay, so I will show you when I will arrive at the end here. Okay, so if you see, I have already finished this row, and the pattern, as I told you, is 1 white, 13 black, and I have calculated that in one side there are going to be 8 pyramids. Okay, so if you see here, the last one is at the end here. So once I will take out the sign, I will start with the making one white stitch. Okay, so the pattern is the same both sides. I will do the same pattern, 1 white, 13 black, and I will meet you over here. Okay, everyone, so as you can see, I have also finished the other side, and also in the other side we have 8 pyramids, always following the pattern, 1 white, 13 black. Okay, so we are just going to do this pattern again one more time. So the next row all over from the front and the back is the same, 1 white and 13 black. Okay guys, so if you see here, we are starting to have our boat. You see the boat? I will show you better once I finish this row. So there we have 1 white, 2, so 1 white, 13 black, and again 1 white, 13 black, and so on. So just go around one more time. Okay, so I will see you at the end of both sides. So this is actually the outside part, the out part, and this is the in part. Okay, the part from inside. Okay, so now we are just going to follow the pattern. Okay, so as you see, we have already finished these 2 rows, 1 white and 13 black, and now we are just going to start the 3rd row. So at the 3rd row we have 2 white and 11 black. Okay, okay, so here we have 1 and 2. Okay, so the next one is again 11 black stitches. So the next one is again 11 black stitches, and then we are just going to continue the pattern like this. So this pattern, 3 white stitches, 11 black stitches, will go on for 2 rows. So I will finish these 2 rows and I will meet you here. As you can see here, this is the pattern. The bag is starting to show. You see? Okay. So now we are just going to follow the pattern here. So now we are just going to continue with the other 2 rows, which are the same. So we have 3 white stitches, 9 black stitches, and 5 white stitches. Okay, and then we will just continue this pattern all around. Okay, so with this we are going to do 2 times. If you see here, we have 2 rows. Okay, so we are just going to do 3 white stitches, and there we are, 1 and 5, and of course we close with a black color, and then following is just another 9 black stitches, and then we are just going to do this all around 2 times. So I will see you once I have done these 2 rows. Okay, so if you see here the pattern, it's looking pretty similar, right? Okay, here. So we are going to continue here. 4 white stitches, 7 blue stitches, just continues like that. Just follow the pattern. Okay, so just follow the pattern. We do 4 white stitches, always the back. If you see here, always the back, and a loop is here, and go 1 and 2, 7, close with the black color, and then again we will continue 7 black stitches and 7 white stitches, and so on. Okay, So we have this pattern for 3 rows. So I will meet you once I have done these 3 rows, and we will continue here. Okay, as you see, I have already finished these 3 rows, and now we're going to start this one, and here we are going to have 5 white stitches, 5 black stitches, and then we are just going to continue with the pattern 9 white, 5 black, 9 white, 5 black, and so on. So first let's do 5 white stitches here. One, 9, and the last one, of course, we close with the black color. And so we are just going to continue the pattern like this: 5 black, 9 white, 5 black, 9 white. This is for 2 rows. So I will finish these 2 rows and I will meet you over here. I have already finished this row over here as well. And now we are going to start with the next one. You see? And the next one is we will start with 6 white and 3 black. And then we will have 11 white stitches, and then go on and do 3 black stitches, and the pattern will just continue like that: 11 white, 3 black. This is for 2 rows. Okay, so here let's do first 6 white stitches, and the other part is actually here on the back. So don't worry, there are 11 white stitches. So first we do 6 white, 3 black, 11 white, 3 black, and then just continue like that, okay, for 2 rows. So let's do first 5, 1, and 11, and then again the pattern will follow: 3 black, 11 white, 3 black, 11 white, right? So this we are going to do for another 2 rows. So I will finish these 2 rows over here, I will finish these 2 rows over here, and I will meet you here. Okay? Okay guys, as you see, I have also finished this row where we have 3 black stitches and then 11 white stitches. I have finished these 2 rows. Now we're going to start the last 2 rows of the pyramid. Here we're going to have now 7 white stitches, 1 black stitch, and 13 white stitches. And then we are just going to continue the pattern: 13 white stitches, 1 black stitch, 13 white stitches, 1 black stitch, all around for 2 times. Okay, so here let's do 7 white stitches, 1, just 1 black stitch, 13 white stitches, and then we have 2 rows like this. I will meet you over here. Okay guys, so I have already finished these 2 rows, if you see here, but I haven't actually turned the corner here. So to finish this side I still need 6 more white stitches. To finish this side I still need 6 more white stitches, and then I can start the pattern here. If you see, the pattern here will be 7 black and then 1 white, so it's just the reverse of this one here. Okay, so I will do 6 white stitches, 1, 6. Okay, so actually here I have finished the whole back. Okay, and now I am going to start the pattern here, which is 7 black stitches. So the 6th white stitch I will close with a black color here, and now I will do 7 black stitches. I will start the pattern. 7 black stitches, 1 and 7, and the last one we close with the white color. Another pattern follows, 1 white and 13 black. Okay, so we are just going to do like this around now. Can you see now? Yep. Okay, so now we are just going to continue like this, the pattern for 2 rows. Okay, so this upper part over here is the same as this down here, so I will do this upper pattern. Okay, and then I will meet you over here so you can see the whole as it looks. Okay guys, so this is just a very quick update. So I have already finished the pattern until here. If you see, I'm up to here. So continue my work, and then I will show you once the crochet part is finished. Okay? Hi guys, so there it is. The pattern is already finished. So I finished already my crochet part, and if you see over here, I have also finished another 4 rows with just the black color, because here I want to put some pearls, and I have all these ideas, and of course I need to attach the zipper. And if you see inside, you see, I mean, inside is as beautiful as outside. I don't know if you can see this, and I feel sorry that I maybe have to cover this with a lining. I'm still thinking about that. So I will have to put the lining, and I will put the pearls. And because this bag I did it with having in mind Audrey Hepburn, which actually is my style icon. So black and white and pearls and these things. So let me do all the other work, the zipper, the lining, the pearls, and I will show you the final result. Hi there, so I hope you like my bag, and I actually love it. And if you can see, I have already put the pearls, and actually they gave to the bag another whole look. And I also attached a zipper, a black zipper. Inside I was thinking to put a red lining. I don't know why, but I just love the red color. It just caught my eye. And so guys, this is my final result, and I actually love this bag. It's very modern, and I think I can wear it with a lot of things. And I hope you like it too. And if you like my project, there are going to be other projects like this. So give me a thumbs up, subscribe and like, and thank you for watching.